Under Jobs, Job Details Overview. Each job has a Job Details page. The Job Details page shows all the important information regarding a job. There are several ways to access these details. You can access the job directly through the email notification. Included in every job notification is a link directly to the Job Details page. You will first be required to log in and then be taken directly to the job details. If you're already logged in, you can go to the Job Details page by clicking on Select. You can access the job details via the Recent Jobs panel or the Jobs page. Let's take a quick look at what the job detail page looks like. Again, click on Select to open the job details page for a particular job. This page has 4 tabs: Word count, cost, and reference material. We're going to start with the Details tab. In the upper portion, we see status and organizational information. Here we see more than just the current status, but also the supplier who the job is assigned to. If this job was assigned to a company, we also see who in that company is the assigned worker. This job has not yet been assigned to a specific worker. To assign the job to a specific supplier, click on Set Worker. This will open the pop-up where you can choose who will be given the job. Simply select a specific supplier by clicking on Choose. Or leave it only assigned to the company by clicking on Do Not Assign. As a manager or company admin, you can also assign the job to yourself. Now we see the specific supplier who is assigned this job. Also on this page is the job's current status. Clicking on the status will bring up the job's history. This timeline shows the changes made to the status. Under the status, we see the cost. By clicking on the key icon, a breakdown of the cost will pop up. The breakdown shows the match discounts for each and every part of the job. We will discuss these in more detail later. We also have the last message sent through the system. This can be either from the supplier or the project manager. Only the last message is shown on the details page. To see or send more messages, click on View Send Messages. A new window will appear where you can review older messages or send a new one. The second section is the Details section. Here we see the job reference name, the task type, and the language pairs. Click here to open any available reference materials. In the next column, we see the deadline, date, and time, as well as a countdown for better planning. There is also a place for any important instructions from the project manager or client. Lastly, we have the domain, which tells you what type of text the job contains. These domains are set by the system admin. The last section is the Documents section. This is where you find the documents to be worked on. In the first column is the source text. Clicking on the document icon will open the original document for viewing. Once the job has been completed, the translated document will appear in the second column. The third column is the document's status. These are different than the job status and only relate to each of the specific documents. You can also view attachments, which we will talk about later. Lastly, you have your Work button. Clicking here will open the document in the CAT editor. The last feature found on this tab is the Label feature. This works in a similar manner as the company labels. To add a label, click on the plus sign and then on the desired label. These labels can also be removed by clicking on Remove Label.